Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes today. As you guys can see, it's warmed up. The hiatus, the dry spell of videos are over with. We're back. We're going to be putting out content. Let's have some fun this summer, this year. And just before I start off the video, just want to give a thanks to the 500 subscribers. And in today's video, we're finally attempting to start up the Civic. You know, it's springtime. I'm trying to drive my car, so I'm super excited. And today, we're hopefully going to get her going. So stay tuned today. Make sure you guys run up them numbers, like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to be posting more frequently. I know I say that all the time, but this time, hopefully, it's real. The major first thing that we got to do is just take off the tarp. So, I've got the Boy Scout knots and stuff, so hopefully you can get this off. So, as you guys see, he's freaking dirty. So, first thing I gotta do, pop open the hood, put the battery in, check the oil, make sure it has oil in it. Hopefully it does, it should. And yeah, then we can give her a quick little startup. So, let's quickly pop open the hood, throw the battery in. Looks all there. She looks all there. Before I throw the battery in, just gonna clean up these terminals, you know. Nothing too crazy. The positive one is pretty corroded, so just giving it a quick little clean, guys. You know, hasn't started in a bit. I also checked the oil already. She's full, so. Make sure everything's all right before you throw her in. All right, she looks gunked. Gonna throw that in. And should I throw this in before the terminals, after? Held up pretty good. I sandblasted it last year. This little bracket here. Usually they're pretty garbage. Actually, I'm gonna just throw it on probably beforehand. You know what's funny? Every year I think, have I lost my wrenching ability? It's like one year I'm just gonna wake up, it's all gonna be gone. You know, because where I'm from, boy. Alright, sort of loosely on there. Oh yeah, I heard something there. So, quickly. Let's give it a crank. Died there. Gotta be light on this throttle because last year it actually. She's alive, baby! It leaked a lot last year at one point. The cheap fuel regulator was an absolute shit show, but she looks mint. Yeah, I'm just gonna let her warm up for a bit, to be honest with you guys. But that went pretty freaking easy. As you guys saw, she starts up good, but we're having issues with the speaker, so I'm just gonna take off the speaker. No sound is coming out of it, so just gonna see if it's a connection issue or where the connection issue is coming from. Because definitely need music. I think my one thing What's up, brother? So it's been a couple days, as you see. Put on the new rims that I wanted to put on. The bumpers off. Yeah. So as you guys saw in the previous clip, I needed to replace my speaker because the driver's side one was garbage, and yeah, so I got it replaced on the one side. I'll get more of a step-by-step on when I do the other side, but when we changed this tire, we just wanted to see that these rims fit. And I don't know if you guys can really see from that angle, but from my angle, them joints are fire. So, but we also discovered something. One second. I'll overlay some, but on these old tires, I got hella negative camber, and the tires are shot just after 6 months of driving them. So we need to get an alignment, so the bumper's staying off, the side skirts are gonna come off so it can go on the alignment rack. So yeah, just little updates. Civic, she's getting there. Yeah, we're gonna scooch up the car just a little bit so I can throw in that new speaker. It's freezing out today too, so let's give her a start. We'll probably also try to take off the side skirts on both sides, but we'll see, because the boy is cold. She's not like that. Yep, as you guys can see, pop it back off, but the new one's in, the old trash ones are out, and she sounds mint. Well guys, it's the end of the video. As you see on the ground here, side skirts are taking off. That front tire was pretty low, probably because it has camber wear like that, like the front left tire as well. But stay tuned guys. I freezed my butt off today just so I could finish this video. And yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy, IKTV Frenchie, and I'm signing off. Peace.